definitely by far the best free system that you can use to start building your funnels, to get your blog up and running, to get your course up if you have one, to generate leads into your business. But before we get started, let me just share a little bit of who I am. My name is Ivana Bosniak. If you're new to my channel, I want to say that I'm a spiritual business coach, and I like to say spiritual just because I've learned through the years that it's not just about strategy, it's about building a business that you actually like and enjoy, and aligning yourself to have the success that you want, regardless of where you're at with your business. If you're a coach, affiliate marketer, if you have your own courses and you're looking to set up the right strategy for your business, I'm the girl to talk to. Now, the next thing is what is it that you need to have in terms of your online business, right? So it's online presence, and it comes down to the right message. And when I say the right message, your marketing and the website need to connect in order for you to have the best results, right? So the website is a process. Some people call it a sales funnel. So basically, if you're giving away something, how you are leading people from giving away to get them into your courses or book a call, right? So it's a process that you set up. And at the end of the day, you want to know who your audience is. And that's why I had this as one of the first things before I recommend this software that's going to help you do all of this 100% free. And as soon as I discovered it, I wanted to share it with the world, right? So the website needs to have these things. So it needs to have a lead magnet. So you need to have a way to capture the leads. And it's not about putting any lead magnet out there. It's about putting a lead magnet that sells out your services. So it needs to be brandable. If you're creating a personal brand, if you are doing a company brand, whatever it is, make sure that it is brandable with the right colors, the right imaging, and all of that. And obviously, you want to have a process in place, as I already mentioned, the sales funnel, something that is going to sell out your services. And this comes down to having an email sequence that is generating clicks or book a call links and things like that, not just giving away something, but having a system in place. Now, you might want to have like 3-4 different courses, and that actually comes into play as well, where you can have 3-4 different sales pages that tie in together. So it's definitely a great way to go in terms of, creating your business. No matter what you do, I always like to say build your own email list. Make sure you have that as #1 priority. Yes, everyone talks about social media. Don't get me wrong. Having presence on social media is important as well. But at the end of the day, your email list, nobody can take away. So you want to know who you're talking to. You want to make sure that marketing actually does not start happening until you set up some of the things. So whatever it is that you're offering, you have to have a system in place. So the marketing message needs to tie in, as I mentioned before, with your website. It will all start with the message. The copy is going to be super important. So what is this free website or funnel builder email marketing system and the site for course building? It's called System.io, and I'm actually going to drop the link for the system right below in the description. So make sure you check out the first link for it. The thing is, this is 100% free to get started. I'm going to tell you in a second what it is that you get. So what you get for free is 3 funnels. You get 2,000 email contacts, you get 1 blog and 1 course. So this is all included in the free plan. Upgrade to it is $27, and then it goes up from there. The unlimited is $97, right? If you do already have a business, you already set up some funnel or website or something, and you want to migrate all of that, the courses and the emails, they will actually migrate this all for you. But you do have to pay $97 a month for them to actually migrate all of that for you. So if you want to try it out, just click on the button in the description, and that is going to get you off the ground. In the next video, I'm actually going to show you how simple it is to use it. And if you do need help on getting your business off the ground to 10K or 100K months, then definitely let's talk. And all you have to do is go over to my website, ivanabosniak.com, and that is going to give you a lot of information how I can help.